Slashome Essential Oil Set. Here's the website. Comes in a very nice wooden box. Really well packaged. Cedarwood, peppermint, lemon, bergamot, sweet orange, eucalyptus, chamomile, citronella, lavender, rosemary, vanilla, tea tree. No matter what mood we're in, this should meet our needs. Which one to try first? Try orange. It smells great.